Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question number 25. A flower of brinjal plant following the process of sexual reproduction produces 360 viable seeds. Answer the following questions giving reasons. How many ovules are minimally involved? कितने इन्वॉल्व होंगे? How many megaspore mother cells are involved? What is the minimum number of pollen grains that must land on stigma for pollination? How many male gametes are involved in the above case? How many microspore mother cells must have undergone reduction division prior to dehiscence of anther in above case? 360. 360 ovules चाहिए because one ovule after fertilization form one seed. 360 each megaspore mother cells produce करते हैं 4 megaspore. Only one remain functional out of that. 360 pollen grain participate करते हैं in the fertilization of one ovule. 720 each pollen grain carry करते हैं 2 male gametes जो participate करते हैं double fertilization में. 90 each microspore mother cell 90 microspore mother cell mitotically divide करते हैं और form करते हैं 4 pollen grain. Or you can attempt second question, which is describe the changes that occur in ovaries and uterus in human female during the reproductive cycle. Menstrual cycle है reproductive cycle सभी primates में that begins at puberty. Menstrual cycle की beginning को मेनार्क कहते हैं. Human females में menstruation occur once in a month. ये एक cyclical event है. From one menstruation till the next one is known as menstrual cycle. Middle of the menstrual cycle में ovulation होती है. Ovum is released. Cycle start होती है with menstrual flow जो last करती है for 3 to 5 days. If ovum fertilized ना हो तब breakdown होती है endometrium की uterus के. फिर bleeding होती है that is menstruation. Blood vessels in liquid states are discharged followed by follicular phase when primary follicles mature into Graafian follicle जो cause करता है regeneration of endometrium जो shed कर जाती है menstrual phase में वो follicular phase में regenerate होती है. ये जो changes हैं due to ovarian and pituitary hormone in this phase release of gonadotrophin LH FSH increase करते हैं follicular growth. Then growing follicles produce करते हैं estrogen. जब middle of the cycle that is 14th day LH and FSH are at their peak. They causes rupture of Graafian follicle ताकि ovum release कर सकें. इसे कहते हैं ovulatory phase. Remains of Graafian follicles convert होते हैं into corpus luteum जो further secrete करते हैं progesterone ताकि वो endometrium को maintain कर सकें. In the absence of fertilization, corpus luteum degenerate करता है, cause करता है disintegration of endometrium and again next cycle begin हो जाती है with the menstruation. This was question.